Hi there, welcome to a Planet Venus Audio Technologies Spectral Coherence Control Mastering Tutorial Introduction. How do we get started and what do we have here? Well, right now we're showing the full display and we're listening to the processed audio. That's why there's green there, and that green matches this green here. This is what we're listening to. The original is in red. Again, processed is in green, and this button down here gives you the removed. That's what we're taking out. Okay? Now this line here composes the, shall we say, global parameters. To make it obvious, I'll use the remove one because it's easiest. The reference level says, how much am I processing? How deeply am I processing into the music? If I don't want to process very much, I run this number way up here where you hear almost nothing. And you can see the yellow plot goes very low. But as I work a little bit farther down into the music to process, and you can hear the distortion I'm taking out. Okay? When we're listening, separation means how separated do the sounds sound from each other. Are the instruments distinct? There's less distinct. This is a little more distinct towards this region. Okay? And when we're listening, 5 resolution means max resolution. If you want to hear less resolution and have a little bit smoother sound, you run the numbers down lower. We'll do it up here for maximum ease of hearing what's going on. And when you are processing, coherence is what we're doing. Notice the red plot there has very little peak to valley ratio, where the green one has a lot. When you do process, you can see I don't want it quite so clear. So I can kind of take more and more out to make it clear, or less and less to make it less clear. Okay? And again, here's our distortion. And when we listen, it's usually easier to listen to the distortion to tell what you're doing, and then go listen to the repair to confirm you did good. Okay, I hope that's a good first cut for you at how spectral coherence control can be used. We'll go ahead and give you a chance to think about that and get you ready for the second video, which will be how do we do band by band adjustments. Thanks for listening.